Hello, I'm James Vega, City Manager for the City of Ojai, and this is the City of Ojai's COVID-19 update for September 24th, 2020. The city's received questions from residents recently, and we wanted to take some time to provide some information. We had received questions about an increase in coronavirus cases from about 107 cases in the 93023 zip code to 124 cases, with that increase taking place over the last 5 days. We wanted to provide some information and some clarification. Behind me on the screen, you can see the VC Recovers website, which has detailed statistics for each zip code. You can see behind me is the 93023 zip code, and it shows that we do have 124 positive tests total during this pandemic, but we've had approximately 4 in the past 14 days. The report of the increase from 107 to 124 included some tests that had been performed in the past that hadn't been reported. So over the last 14 days, we've had a little bit of a stabilization here, but we did contact and have been in contact with Ventura County Public Health about that increase in cases over the last few weeks. And we have confirmed that the increase in cases stem from the outbreak at a long-term care facility in Ojai. And you may recall that was reported about in both the Ojai Valley News and the BC Star a few weeks back. So some of our test results are showing the impact of that outbreak. In our contacts with the county, we're told that the county's communicable disease team is working closely with the facility currently. They are ensuring that there are adequate testing and procedures in place and have made good progress in getting the outbreak under control. The county stated that the numbers, they believe that the numbers will stabilize for Ojai in coming days, and that seemed to have already started yesterday with yesterday's report. We will remain in contact with Ventura County Public Health and provide any update that we get on that, but it's a good time for us all to remember about some things we could do to protect ourselves and each other from COVID-19. Some simple things we can do is stay 6 feet away from others when you leave home, wear a face mask or cloth face cover when you go to a store or other place where it's hard to stay 6 feet away from others, stay home when you're sick, wash your hands often, cover your cough, and clean and disinfect surfaces that you touch frequently. Lastly, we wanted to provide a couple of business updates that have come from the state and the county in the last couple of days. They are effective immediately. First, nail salons can now be open for indoor service as long as they follow the guidance on VC Reopens. Campgrounds can be open at 100% capacity. Alcohol serving establishments can now remain open until 11 p.m. Previously, they were required to close at 10 p.m. For more information, visit vcreopens.com. We'll include a link in this update. And if a business has already registered, they do not need to re-register at this time. With that, thank you for watching and stay safe.